obviously he has a heart. The most important feature with Kong are his eyes. Kong's eyes are wonderfully expressive. They're full of emotion. His eyes are like a window into his personality and his heart. He's had an enormous number of encounters with his foes, the T-Rexes and various dinosaurs on Skull Island, so he's been beaten up, scarred, chewed up, spat out by these dinosaurs at various times, and he wears the scars of a lot of ancient battles. The Universal Tram is winding its way through a very rough, narrow trail in Skull Island, allowing the visitors a little sneak peek at some of the wildlife of Skull Island. In a sense, this is like a mini sequel, a mini continuation. We are just taking the Kong and Skull Island and the dinosaurs that we established in our feature film, and this is another day, another incident on Skull Island, using the creatures and the character and personality of Kong as he appeared in the movie.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think this tour is a tour that deserves a movie trailer. In a world where one tour returns to Skull Island, we are that tour. 160 people venturing off into the unknown, keeping their 3D glasses handy and ready to go as we go back to Skull Island, ladies and gentlemen.
Back in Skull Island. Ladies and gentlemen, King Kong 360 3D! You survived your trip to Skull Island, ladies and gentlemen. Now I do have to go quiet again, folks. I will be back as soon as I can get on the microphone. I have to go quiet. I'll be right back, I promise.